Hi guys, welcome back. I'm your host Stevie from DV Photography. Today we're gonna have this table set and I have a flash and top. Just showing you some simple stuff. This is like if you want to sell stuff on eBay. So I'm gonna put different stuff there and I'm gonna take picture. I have the setting. The setting that I have in my camera is my Sony a6000 with my macro lens. The power on the flash is 132 of a power, 116 of a power. Sorry. F9 on the camera, ISO 100, shutter speed 160, 160 of the power, and I'm gonna shoot different stuff like I'm telling you. So this is something, you know, so you can do at home, simple and easy. And let's get down with it. So this is the first one, the first shot. I'm gonna have just the flash right there. So I mean, not the flash, sorry, the product right there. And let me take this shot. Let me fix this, and I gotta straighten it out. Manual focus, like I always say, manual focus. And there you go. That's good. Let's show you in the screen. Let's take another one. I'll show you in the screen. Now I have that set right there. So now I'm gonna just swipe that one right there. You know, something simple. This is for the people who sell stuff on eBay and Amazon. They want to take picture. This is something simple and easy. Something with one flash. The background white. You can do easily in your home. So don't be afraid because you don't have enough equipment, enough stuff. Yes, you can do it easily. Now I'm going to put another one. And this is sorry, it's a little bit dirty, but you know, oops, I think I manual focus right there. I have this, you know, this is something you can do. I'm gonna show you step by step everything. Where on the stream, all the shot I'm gonna show you, and of course I'm gonna put what? Oh, you can't put that one there. Let me just this is something simple. Simple. Why is simple? Because there's only one flash, only one product, only one thing. And let me see. I don't know. These are ugly, but I'm still gonna put it there. You know, this is simple stuff. Okay, something you will put like that. Let me bring this more over here so I can see it because I don't want to move my camera. And let me see if I can focus on the name. And that looks good. I like that. Like it. Love it. And let's put this like this. Oops. What else can we do? Let me see what else I have here. That we can take pictures, different stuff right away. Different stuff. Let's see. Okay, let me even take all my glasses that I bought. Because I wear glasses, you know. Let me just. Sorry about that sound. I know probably you hate it. Something simple in case y'all want to sell glasses. I don't know. And that looks fantastic. Love my glasses. One of them. And let me see if I can shoot this like this. Well, let me open these up. Okay. Ooh, that happens. It happens. Okay, this just happened. Let me see right there. Beautiful. All right. Let me bring this up a little bit more back here because I seen the. Let me see there. Oops, sorry. There you go, guys. So far, so good. Simple stuff, easy, fast. Once you have the light set up and everything is set up, you just keep on shooting. Have your product shooting. Keep on shooting. And let me see. I got this right here. My racket blower, you know, for my camera, so clean the dust inside of the camera. And there you go. And that's two of them. Ooh, that's nice. You know, something simple. Of course, there's only one light that I have here. If I had more light, it would be better. It would look beautiful. But there's only one light. That's what I want you to take in consideration. There is only one light there, nothing else. Okay, I don't have no more things to shoot around here. Anyway, please take your time, subscribe, leave your comment. I appreciate it. Until next time, this is your host DV for DV Photography, and always practice, 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 because that's how you get better. If you don't practice, you will get there, but it will delay you because you learn from your mistake, and that's the very important thing that you got to do. Learn from your mistake. So when I'm not shooting for a client or doing something, I'm just practicing like I just did here. So please take care, subscribe, leave your comment, appreciate it. Until next time, I'm your host from DV Photography. Take care. See ya.